Welcome back.
Welcome back. What do you want to do today, Alma?
A Christmas card.
Great idea. Let's do a Christmas card. To begin, carefully fold the paper sheets to create a card. Next, position the card so that the fold is on the left side, ensuring it opens like a traditional book from right to left. Once this is done, we're ready to begin creating our Christmas card design. Begin by drawing a rectangle near the bottom of the page to represent the trunk of the Christmas tree. Draw a zigzag line to form the lower branches of the Christmas tree. That's right. Start by drawing to your left, then bring the line back. Now move toward your left again, and then return once more. Very good. Keep going. Try to draw the branches with sharp triangular points rather than curved ends, but it will look great either way. Perfect. Now let's do the same on the other side. Let's move through this part a bit quicker, but remember, you can pause at any time and take it slow. Don't rush. Taking your time will ensure it looks fantastic in the end. Now, let's add a star at the top of the tree to complete the look.
I'm gonna use a sticker for my star.
What a great idea. I love it. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. For the end, should we add a message on our little card?
Merry Christmas to you.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alma, is there anything you'd like to add?
Goodbye. I love you and good Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everyone.